How to fix OneDrive syncing issues. So staring at a frozen OneDrive sync icon while your critical project files sit trapped on your local hard drive completely stalls your workflow momentum. When your cloud storage engine locks up, your team loses access to your latest media renders, and version control breaks down completely. So today we are going beyond basic app restarts to deploy a hard command line reset, forcing OneDrive's core background kernel to flush its broken cache pipelines and rebuild a clean, high-speed handshake with your servers. So firstly, we need to clear out any unresponsive application threads before running repairs. So guys, firstly, just close the app. It's funny how they say Microsoft respects your privacy. No, they don't. Let me just go through this. Don't send optional data. Next. Okay, I'll leave it this at default. Next. So I'm just doing this early setup so that we can actually log in into OneDrive and work with it. Okay, I will just back up this pictures folder. Why not? Start backup. Or just do it later. Let's do it later. Not now. Alright, and this is going to be a OneDrive folder. Now it's fully functional on our PC. So before you do anything, just go into your taskbar, right click, and then just make sure to close it. Alright, so pause syncing as well, also very important. Let's say 2 hours. And then go to settings and quit OneDrive. Alright, and with the frozen application engine dead, let's flush the underlying database cache. Also guys, don't forget, if there are still any processes with OneDrive running, go into your task manager, type in OneDrive, okay? And just disable all of these, okay? Not these, just OneDrive sync. Just go ahead and just terminate this. Okay, just close this. And now we are ready. So firstly guys, open up Windows plus R, this command, the run window. And here just type in this kind of command. I will just give it to you. Alright guys, so we need this command right here. So as you can see, it has the /reset at the end, and then just hit enter, and then press OK. And your screen won't show a massive progress window. Instead, OneDrive icon will vanish completely from your system tray for up to 60 seconds as the engine wipes out its corrupted tracking logs in the background. If you don't want to do this like this, delete the last except the OneDrive, press OK, and delete the logs folder. You can actually delete everything to clear out the mistakes and errors, okay? So just clean out the logs. And if the cloud icon doesn't reappear on its own after a minute, simply head to your start menu, then just search for OneDrive and just launch it manually to force a refresh. There you go. As you can see, it's now running, backed up and synced. So this is it. Hopefully we sorted you out, guys, and you have no more errors. If this tutorial helped you out, as always, don't forget to like and subscribe.